Hello, welcome to Chaos Control, the series where we share practical solutions to organizing your home in the new year. Today we're featuring the jack of all trades, the Diaper Caddy. I am by no means an organizational pro, but with products like the Diaper Caddy, it makes keeping your home organized really easy. So my favorite ways to use the Diaper Caddy are traditional diaper caddy, or diaper essentials caddy. I love a car caddy, a craft caddy, a travel caddy, different than the car caddy, a hair caddy, and of course, giving it as a gift basket, a little gift caddy for new moms and baby showers. So in my just standard diaper essentials diaper caddy, of course I have diapers, wipes, creams. I also love to have like an all over ointment or Aquaphor, burp cloths, boogie wipes for cold season, spare bandana bibs. When they're really tiny and you have newborns and you're breastfeeding, you might want to shove a couple of breast pads in there. You're probably going to need an extra set of clothes, maybe extra socks to keep on their small toes. It's so nice having a diaper caddy that you can pick up and take where you need it, move it to the couch to change them, move it to a changing table, and just have everything you need in one place. Another one of my favorite ways to use a diaper caddy, they actually fully collapse, and I love taking them with me when I travel. So I fully collapse it and I put it in a suitcase so that when I travel with my kids, when we are in a hotel room or at grandma's house, we can have all of our diapers organized, especially if you're traveling with multiple babies in different size diapers. It's really important to keep that all organized when you get to your destination. Otherwise, your whole suitcase is going to be diapers and wipes, and you're going to be searching for items the whole trip long. So I love to bring a travel caddy. I include our changing pad. I include diapers, wipes, creams, all the essentials, burp cloths. I usually will also put in maybe medicine that I want to travel with just in case, or a thermometer. But yeah, I really find that it keeps you organized when you're traveling, like I said, in a small hotel room with 4 people. Another way to have your diaper caddy grow with your children is to turn it into a craft caddy. For my 3-year-old, we have everything from Play-Doh to markers, colored pencils, coloring books, craft paper, really just anything that she would like to use. So maybe we move it up to the kitchen counter, or she does it at her little craft table, but it's super nice to have it mobile and on the go and packed for entertainment. Another great use for the diaper caddy is a car caddy. With kids, your car can get out of control really quickly, so it's really nice to have a place to contain all of it. So I love to have, even though you probably have your diaper bag with you, I also love to have spare diapers and wipes and a change of clothes in the car. So if you forgot to reload your diaper bag, you know you have a spare. I love to have an extra changing pad, burp cloths, and then of course all the activity for little kids. So depending on your kid's age, you could have an iPad, one of those LCD drawing pads. It's really nice, age appropriate toys, snacks, a tissue box. I like having antibacterial wipes or hand sanitizer in there as well. But it's really nice to be able to just grab it to reload it, or grab it to go do a diaper change in the back of the car. So a new way that I just transitioned one of my old diaper caddies to would be a hair caddy. So my daughter is now 3 years old. She's no longer in diapers. I had a spare diaper caddy, and we moved it over to a hair caddy. We are often doing her hair on the couch before we go to daycare every morning. So it's really nice to be able to just snag it from the bathroom and pull it out when we need it. And I obviously have all of her bows and hair accessories in there. I also have a spray bottle, hair brushes, a comb, and occasionally there's a toy or two or an iPad if I need to keep her entertained while I do her hair. But it has become a really great use of the diaper caddy kind of post diapers. And really one of the best ways to use your diaper caddy is to gift it to an expectant mom. They really are so useful, especially in those beginning stages. of parenthood, but I love to bring it to a baby shower filled with maybe items from their registry or some other really useful or favorite items that I had from when I had new babies at home. And it really packs up in a really pretty package, and it's something that they can use for years. Stay tuned next week for Playroom organization hacks to help simplify your life.